Hello, and welcome to week 8 Coming Attractions. I hope you're doing well. We're moving along, and I know that with Lisa's class, this has been a tough 7 weeks for you. So I'm not expecting that any of you are in the place you should be as far as what's required by each week's assignment. But let's try to use this week 8 as an opportunity to catch up. First of all, we should be moving into where you're talking about your survey, where we're starting to craft questions. But that means your lit review should be in some form of positivity. It should have something to it. I'm expecting that that's an area that you need to work on. So here's what I would hope you would have done so far. You should have an introduction, even just a draft, something to start with so we can build off of it. And the next thing is your lit review. You're now moving into readings, and you have chapters 1 through 3 in a book that talks about crafting a questionnaire. This is an important discussion because you're going to need to make a survey as part of doing your own research on the topic that you've devised. But again, we may not be there. We can make it happen. Just get done as much as you can this week. As you all know, I haven't graded anything yet because I was kind of waiting to see what would happen. But I do promise you whatever's been submitted, I'll be grading that today, Monday. I also want you to know you're going to be reading something about SurveyMonkey and how it operates. Then you have a couple of videos, and those videos kind of craft how you're going to use SurveyMonkey going forward. Remember, we have a free version, which means 10 questions or under, and that includes all your demographics. If you have not met with me in the last week, it's time. You really need to. So I urge you to set up some time so that we can talk about your survey, we can talk about your research, we can talk about anything you want. And as I said, you should have material returned to you shortly. So are you ready for what awaits? The next few weeks are going to be filled with new information. At times, this can feel chaotic. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let me know how I can help you. And remember, this is week 8. You only have to week 15. Take care, enjoy your work, and enjoy your day. And I will talk to you soon. Take care.